Hello everyone, this chapter is for you to share. The third part, SIM finding function of the laser SIM tracking sensor. Chapter E, addition of instructions. Open the Teach Pendant interface. As shown on the screen, this is a standard single-point SIM finding template. Let's introduce the content of each line. The first line of laser shooting point. That is, the detection point position of the scanning wild SIM. The second line is the laser switch instruction open instruction. The third line, time delay. Fourth line, call the process number parameters of the laser SIM tracking sensor. The process number called here is E. The fifth line is delay. Sixth line, store the data collected by the sensor into a fixed point. Seventh line, turn off laser command. Eighth line, move to calculated point PE. Here's how to add these commands. First, we create a program. Open it. Then press and hold Enable. Add a scan point. That's it. Next, add the laser on instructions. Select the Add instructions. Select Welding instructions. Select Laser Tracking instructions. Choose the fourth line. Laser SIM tracker parameter setting. Choose Laser. Select On. 点击 OK, click OK. Enter A 500毫秒 delay below. Select the general command. Select Sleep. Enter 500毫秒. Click New. Next step, calling laser parameters. Select the Add instruction. Select Welding instructions. Select Laser SIM tracking instruction. Select the fifth line. Laser sensor parameter setting. Choose the fourth one, call laser parameters. Select the process number of the upper computer setting terminal of the sensor. Assumed to be E. It needs to be synchronized with the host computer interface. Temporarily set to 1 here. Call sensor node parameter. Next step, enter another sleep instruction. Next step, add laser deposit instruction. Click to add instruction. Click Weld instructions. Opt for laser SIM tracking. Select laser get point. Select the number 0-999 of the deposit point. The default selection here is E. Next step, add laser off command. Select general order. Add command. Select welding instructions. Select laser tracking instructions. Select the fifth parameter setting. Choose laser. Select off. Click OK. Next step, write to point instruction. Press and hold to enable. Choose to run to point P. Input P1. Teaching position. Click New. Such a standard single-point positioning program is added. That's all for this section. Thank you all.